name is Emmanuel, and today we want to talk about this component I have with me here, called barrier. The question is, why do we usually use the barrier to connect some sensors before connecting them to the digital input of the PLC? Well, some sensors have what we call Namur output. The Namur is a German acronym which, when translated to English, um, means the International Association of Automation Technology Users in the Process Industry. Okay, and because some of these sensors are connected in hazardous areas, we use the barrier. Okay, these Namur sensors, even though they switch their states on and off states, and of course operate on 24 volts DC, they do not have an internal amplifier on their own. They will need a separate amplifier to amplify the 24 volts DC at every point in time. The reason is so that we do not have either higher voltage, and in some cases too we do not have a lower voltage. So the barrier is there to help amplify the 24 volt DC before it actually gets to the sensor and of course to the PLC. That is one. But then what are the components or parameters we actually impute in the barrier? Okay, in the barrier we have four major components or parameters as it is. We actually program whenever we use the barrier. We have in the main parameters, we have the inputs, we have the outputs, we have services, and of course we have the units. So these are four major parameters we actually program in the barrier. So in the units, we program the RPM, we program the frequency, and then in the inputs, many times we have the monitor, the smooth, the pulse. The output, we have the relay 1 and relay 2, and services are these parameters we program whenever we use the barrier. So basically, in conclusion, the barrier is actually used whenever we connect sensors in hazardous areas. And we connect these sensors are called Namur output sensors because they do not have internal amplifier in them. They will need an external amplifier to amplify 24 volts DC so as to give an output. Thank you.